Welcome back again in my channel. For today's video, we will going to make a part 2 tutorial on how to make a DIY stylus pen mesh tip. And if you don't have already watched that video, I suggest you to watch that too. But, after this video, and in this video, is a full tutorial explanation of the how DIY stylus pen works, and for those the same questions like, what is the best substitute for antenna tube? What if I don't have an antenna tube? Can you please help me without the antenna tube? I have a solution for that. Cause this video the part 2 series of DIY stylus pen. We're not gonna use the antenna tube, instead we were using a simple empty pen.
Wow!
So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. First, remove the parts of the ball pen. And get the materials based in the video. Remove the tip of the ball pen. And cut a small piece of cotton cloth. Like this. That's perfect. And don't use this type of cloth. Use some smooth fabric, cause your stylus pen will not work. And suck the tie wire to the tube of the pen anchor. Like this. And leave the tip of the tie wire, cause the cotton and the cloth will be attached in that tie wire to make it work. Now put into the ball pen's body. And put the cotton. Put now the cotton cloth. See, it's already working. Now,
Wow!
suck the rubber into the ball pen. And pop up the cloth and the cotton to be smooth. And now try the DIY stylus pen. Before you try the DIY stylus pen, put some small amount of water. You'll see the cause. I will explain it to you later. It's working. See that? So here's my theory explanation to how it works. So here's the DIY stylus pen. And this is a cell phone. When it's touched together, the current of the phone goes into the cloth and cotton with small amount of water. Cause water is a good conductor.
Wow!
And goes to the tie wire and send it back to the phone. That's causes of the phone touches. I think that's my explanations. Cause the theory helps me up. How about you? If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. And make sure to like this video and comment down below for your thoughts. And if you have any questions, comment also. I will try to answer it all. Thank you. Before we end this video, let's shout out for my beloved subscribers. Shout out to Extreme Kent, Zainer Zalaika, Christian Keith Matarazzo, Strawberry Milk, and Sadir Sharma. If you want to be featured in my next video, start now by subscribing this channel. Goodbye.